Hello guys, good day once again. Okay, so we are still in learning session 5 in our learning session in project construction and management, which is entitled the network fundamentals. Okay, so this is another example. In our previous video, we solved a certain example which in particular activity on arrow. Okay, now we will try an problem in activities on nodes. Okay, so the rules are the same. Okay, so the difference is we are using the nodes for this one. Okay, so not the uh, arrows, but it's same. It's all is actually the same. Okay, okay, so let's try check the problem. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so we have an activity. Okay, so activity 1 to 2, activity 2 to 3, activity 2 to 4, activity 3 to 6, activity 6 to 7, 4 to 5, activity 4 to 7, and 5 to 7. Okay, so observe that this is the node, the starting node, and this is the ending node. Okay, so then this is the schedule or the expected time for the completion of the activity. Okay, so activity 1 to 2, we have 4 days. Activity 2 to 3, 12 days. Activity 2 to 4, 2 days. Activity 3 to 6, 5 days. Activity 6 to 7, 3 days. Activity 4 to 5, 8 days. Activity 4 to 7, 12 days. And activity 5 to 7, 9 days. Okay, so this is the stability data that we need to convert into a precedence diagram or a CPM diagram. Okay, so now let us go to our solving board. Okay, so I will try now to get the camera. Okay, so place that one over here so that we can solve the problem. Okay, so be a couple of minutes guys to set up this one. Okay, so we are here now. Okay, sorry. So first I need to deactivate the camera. Okay, so please bear with me guys. Okay, so let's deactivate first this one, the camera for this one. Then activate. Okay, so we are set. Okay, so this is my actually the I'm using a microphone. Okay, so the setting up of this one is so okay, so I think this is fine. Okay, so let's go back to the problem. Okay, so this is the problem that we need to find a way to make to convert to a precedence diagram for a certain project. Okay, so the purpose of a diagram is for the monitoring of the project so that the top management, the engineers, and the supervisors will have a good tool in monitoring a certain project. Okay, so they will know what is going on and they can create interventions if in case there are problems. Okay, now let's write the diagram for that one. Okay, so for this one, activity 1 to 2, so 4 days. Okay, activity 1. So this is activity on node. So meaning we are using nodes for this one. Okay, so activity 1, okay, 1 to 2. Okay, do not know if this space will, so let's try. Okay, so this is start. Okay, start. So this is 4 days. Okay, so activity 1 to 2 is 4 days. Okay. Next, we have activity 2 to 3 and 2 to 4. Okay, so after 2, node 2, we have two activities 2 to 3 and 2 to 4, 12 and 2. Uh, we have 2 to 3. So this and 2 to 4. 2 to 4. So let's check. So 2 to 3 is 12 days. And 2 to 4 is 2 days. This is 2. Okay, next we have activity 3 to 6. Activity 3 to 6 which is 5 days. Okay, activity 3 to 6. This is okay, so this is 3 to 6 is 5 days. Okay, so 5 days. 3 to 6 is 5 days. Next is we have uh, 3 to 6 to 7. Okay, so 7 is the end. Okay, 7 is the end of the project. So node 7 is the end. So let's go to 6 to 7 is 3 days. 6 to 7 is 3 days. Okay, so 6 to 7. So 6 to 7 is 3 days. Okay, so 3 days. Then we have 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is somewhere here. 4 to 5, let's check. 4 to 5 is 8. Okay, 8. So 4 to 5 is 8. So we have, after 4, we have 4 to 5 and 4 to 7. Okay, so there are two. So first, we have 4 to 7. So 4 to 7 is 12 days. So 4 to 7 is 12 days, meaning it will go directly here. So this is 12 days. Okay. Then the other one, 47 is 12 days. The other one is 4 to 5, which is 8 days. So 4 to 5. So 4 to 5 is, this is 5. 4 to 5 is 8 days. So 8 days. Sorry, I did not switch to camera. So I just write this one. So 44 to 5 is 8 days. Then 5 to 7 is 5 to 7 is 9 days. So let's check. So 5 to 7 is 9 days. Okay. So this is the end of the project. Okay. So this is now the precedence diagram. Now we have to find the available path for this one. Okay. So we have 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay, path 1 to 2. Path 2 to 3. Path 3 to 6. Path 6 to 7. Okay. So this is path. Then this is the number. So 4 plus 12 plus 5 plus 3. Then the total for this one is, this is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 2, 20. So this is 34 days. Anyway, guys, now these numbers can be denoted by either days or weeks. So it depends on the the capability or the useness of the project. Okay, so if it is small, so you will use days. If big, so there are uh, a diagram that uses weeks or months. Okay, now we have activity 1 to 2. Sorry, 1 to 2. Then 2 to 4. Then 4 to 7. Okay, so this is 4 plus 2 plus 12. The total days for this route is 24. Sorry, 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is only 18 days. Okay, so 18 days. Then the next is 1 to 2. 2 to 4. 4 to 5 and 5 to 7. So we have 4 plus 2 plus 8 and plus 9. So the total for this one is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21 days. Okay, so these are the path for this diagram. So we have path 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 7. And the total number of days for this one is 34 days. We just add the number of days for each activity. We have 4, 4, 12, 5. Okay, so this is 5, sorry. Sorry. So this is not 15. So this is 5, 3 to 6. Oh, sorry, ala. So 3 to 6 is 5, 4, 2, 9. Okay, okay. So this is correct. So 4, 12. So 3 to 6 is 5. Okay, so this is only 5. So meaning this is not 34. This is 1724. Okay. Okay, so this is only 24 days. So 4, 12, 5, and 3 for this path. Then for this path, we have 4 to 12, so 18. And for this path, 4 to 8 and 9, which is 21. So the longest route or the longest path is this path, 24 days. So this is the critical path. So meaning this path should not be delayed so that the entire project will not be delayed also. Okay, so I think uh, that is all. That's all for this example. So this is activities on nodes. Okay. Okay. So next, I think two examples is really good for this learning session, and I hope you learn something from it. And thank you for watching this video. And see you in my next learning session, guys. So we are now on learning section 6 for this subject. Okay, so thank you for watching.